pulled pork tacos, slow cooked with a delicious garlic mayo. For this recipe I'm gonna use some beef ribs, and they have some fat on it, so we're gonna remove that and we're gonna roughly dice it up. Because it's pulled pork, it doesn't have to be perfect squares, so let's dice it up and remove some fat. And I used about 1.4 kilograms of beef ribs. Let's talk seasoning. I used some salt, coriander powder, cayenne powder, garlic, smoked paprika, onion powder, and a little bit of nutmeg. Just a little bit. Now our spice mix is ready and we're gonna incorporate it with the meat and really massage it in. For the best result, put it in the fridge for 24 hours and let it really marinate. I'm also gonna cut up a white onion and I'm really gonna roughly dice it. I also gonna use some garlic and I used 3 cloves. Now it's time to pan sear the beef ribs, and I'm gonna do it in batches. It takes about 1–1.5 minutes each side, and I really want to get some color on it because it's gonna release flavor, and that's what we need. The onions and the garlic also get a little bit of treatment, just a minute or so. Now let's fill the slow cooker. First I put in the meat. Then the onion garlic mixture. Two cups of beef broth. One, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. And let's mix this. Now comes the magic. Santa Maria beef tacos mixture. Smoky, chipotle and tomato. And I put in 1 bag. Now give it another good mix. Put the lid on and just wait. I turn the heat on high. It will go in for about 8 hours. Now look at that, it falls apart. It's beautiful. This is really gonna be good. I am also gonna make a garlic mayo. And for that, we're gonna use some mayo, chopped up garlic, a lime and some olive oil. First, the mayo. Then the chopped up garlic. And I used about 4 cloves, the olive oil, and squeeze in some lime. Give it a good mix, and it's ready to go. Our garlic mayo is done. Now let's plate. First I'm gonna put in the pulled pork. You can put in more if you like. I also added some lettuce, and it's a mixture of different kind of lettuce. The delicious garlic mayo. Some diced up red onions. Some delicious pickles. And I topped it off with some cheddar cheese. It's ready. We're hungry. Thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe to the channel, give it a like, leave a comment. Let me know what you think of this. And as always, See you next time.